Hello everyone, welcome back to the Financial Highway. Today we'll discuss about a government-backed plan that is Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. It was launched by PM Modi on 22nd Jan 2015 under this campaign of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Abhiyan. So till the time a girl child is born to the time she is 10 years of her age, you can open the account at any point of time in any bank or any post office. So nationalized commercial authorized commercial bank. Account can be transferred from bank to post office to bank in India at any point of time. Things are not very difficult if you want to operate the account. So this is a government-backed plan where it is actually targeted towards a parent of a girl child. It is that kind of saving scheme. So this is the important part of this Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana is the interest you are getting on the deposit is tax free. So the at this point of time, the rate of interest one is getting is 7.6% almost. When it was started, it was more than 9% in 2015. So and the best part is you are not you don't have to pay any interest on the interest you don't have to pay any tax over the interest you are getting from the amount you are saving in this account. So this is the best part about this. It is kind of almost similar to PPF, Public Provident Fund. But how this could be operated, like till the time girl reaches 10 year of her age, she can operate her account after that. But before that, parents need to operate the account. Only legal parents or the biological parents can open the account for girl child. Two account per parents is allowed, and that too for one girl child only one account is allowed. In case of triplet, you can go ahead with three account for a parents. So this is one exception. Now what you need to do is at the time of opening you need to deposit minimum 250 rupees, and after that in the multiple of 100 you can deposit amount. Minimum amount to deposit in a year is 250 and maximum is 1,50,000. If you are unable to deposit 250 rupees in a year, you'll be charged 50 rupees fine. So this is how it will work. And this scheme is actually not just a saving scheme. This is a habit that is being developed in parents or even for the child for whom you are saving. So if you have any relatives, or if you have family members where girl child is less than 10 years of her age and she is not having this account, ask them to open the account. This is very simple, and this is definitely going to help them once the girl is reaching 21 year of her age or 18 year of her age. So now how it will be operated. uh, if the girl child is 18 year of her age, 18 or 18 plus, and you want to withdraw money for her marriage purpose, the withdrawal could be done, but it will not be done before 1 month of the marriage and after 3 months of the marriage. So this is how it will work. For educational purpose also, 50% of the amount can be withdrawn, but you need to show all the documentations and all. So this is how it is. This will be like this. So you can deposit amount from the time the account is getting open till the time to 15 years of the time you will be able to deposit amount, and after that you'll be getting interest. So account will be active for 21 years, but you will be able to deposit amount in that account only for 15 years. After that you'll be earning interest on the deposit you have deposited into that account. So go ahead and ask your family members and parents of a girl child to open the account. Till the time, bye bye.